folks, Dante here, welcome back to our channel. Today we decided to take a boat and admire the beauty of the Istrian coast on a round-trip cruise from Poreč. The port of Poreč is only about a 15-minute walk from our hotel. There are many boats that take you on day trips, but this is the one we've been using for the past 3 years. Make sure you ask the hotel to book your spot the day before and enjoy the day.
Giovanna.
We're going on the fish picnic boat to Rovinj and Limski Kanal and Vrsar, and we're going to end up back here in Poreč at the end.
The first part of the trip is about an hour and a half, so you can admire the Istrian coast, and they start giving you grappa and some other drinks. And we start singing all together and waiting until we get to the city of Rovinj so we can do a small tour and then go swimming. So our first stop is the town of Rovinj. Situated on the west coast of Istria, is one of the most popular and most developed tourist resorts in Croatia. The old town is built on the island, which was only connected with the mainland in the 18th century. It is known as one of the most picturesque and romantic towns on the Mediterranean. Over the last few decades, Rovinj attracts a large number of tourists, most of them faithfully returning year after year, just like we do every time we come back to Croatia.
How excited are you, Giovanna? Wow, the excitement.
After almost a couple of hours in the town of Rovinj, we go back to the boat, and that's when they serve lunch. Don't ask me what type of fish, I have no idea, but it was really good. They also give you sausages, chicken, and plenty of drinks. So after that really nice lunch, the captain takes us to the Pirate's Cave. It's a small island, and that was my wife, by the way, who just jumped out. And that's what you do. He just stops the boat close to shore, and everybody else just jumps out of the boat and have a good time. We stayed there for about 2 hours, and it was really nice to see because a lot of boats coming in and out, and you meet all these people from all over the world. And there is a bar in the island. It takes about a 5-minute walk to get there, so you can enjoy a nice spritz and then just jump back in the water.
How was your day?
Our day was great. We went to Rovinj and we did a little bit of shopping, and then we took the boat with our fish picnic and we fed the seagulls, and then we went to the Pirates Cove. Did we find any pirates? There was a pirate on our ship though, right? Yeah. And they played music and people danced on the, we passengers danced on the boat and embarrassed our child. And now we are here in Poreč again, and we're taking the little train to get back to our hotel because after a long day it was.
So we returned back to the hotel, had an amazing dinner, and again, every night there's activity for all the kids. So again, we sit back and have about 17 beers.